When it's hectic at your workplace, the last thing you want to deal with is a clogged drain. Keep watching for a solution. Today, let's talk about Clear Out, a chemical designed to clear out clogged drains. Let's start with the basics. What is Clear Out? Clear Out is a lemon-scented granular drain opener that heats up to break through problematic drain blockages. Clear Out's granules are heavier than water, allowing them to sink down and penetrate the clog. The granules have a delayed chemical reaction, reaching the source of the clog before activating and quickly heating up to reach a peak temperature of 212 degrees Fahrenheit. This high temperature reaction melts through tough blockages and opens clogged drains. Who is Clear Out a good fit for? Clear Out is safe to use on PVC pipes despite reaching a high temperature. It may be a good fit for those who need a cost-effective option, as there's over 200 treatments per case. Clear Out works effectively and quickly, saving time for maintenance staff or anyone who doesn't have the time to worry about a clogged drain. Who is Clear Out not a good fit for? Clear Out may not be a good fit for those with porcelain, as the high temperature could cause damage. It may not be a good fit for those who have clogs due to scale, rust, or non-organic items blocking the drain. When and why do I need Clear Out? Clear Out can solve drain blockages faster than other products, as it immediately begins to heat up upon contact with the main clog. It's always important to think preventatively with drain care, but Clear Out works faster than many alternatives. You don't want a drain blockage to take up valuable time at key operating hours, such as a dinner rush at a restaurant or peak intake at a hospital. So having Clear Out available in a pinch could prove to be rewarding. How do I use Clear Out? First, wear the proper PPE, protective eyewear, and rubber gloves. Be sure to remove any drain covers or sieves and standing water if possible. Make sure the water within the drain is cold. Pour 1 level capful of Clear Out into the drain, recap, wait 30 minutes, and check to see if the drain is open by adding several cups of cold water. If the drain clears, flush with cold water for at least 1 minute. How much does Clear Out cost? Clear Out cost can vary depending on a multitude of factors, including location, but will most likely cost you this amount per usage for typical commercial facilities. When considering cost of drain care chemicals, it's always important to weigh the cost against more extreme options if you let the problems worsen. How do I buy Clear Out? Purchasing Clear Out is simple. Visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to get in contact with a representative. All drains are different, and the easiest way to find out if Clear Out will be the right choice for you will be a facility survey by an experienced representative to ensure that you get the solution that you need. For more information on how to keep your workplace clean, check out our Learning Center, and soon enough, you'll be flushing your cleanliness issues down the drain.